In today's video, I'll show you how you can invite team members to Matrak and manage their access. Once your Matrak account is live, inviting colleagues is the first step to ensure that they can access projects and collaborate. To get started, navigate to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on the My Company page. For inviting team members and managing their access, you'll need to go to the User Management tab and click Invite New User in the top right corner. After clicking, a pop-up will appear. Enter your team member's company email, assign a user role, and select from the drop-down the projects you want them to have access to, as well as their permissions. Once this is done, click Send Invite, and that team member will receive an email invitation with next steps. If you need to update user roles for existing users, you can do this under the same User Management tab. To do this, find the team member whose role you want to update from the list below. Use the drop-down menu under the current role to select a new one. If you need to grant administrator access, simply change their role to administrator, allowing them to manage other users. So to wrap things up, managing your team in Matrak is quick and easy. Whether you're inviting new users or updating roles, it only takes a few clicks from your User Management tab within your My Company page.